Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to attempt to put this shelf together. I got it from Amazon Japan and I'm going to try to put it together by myself. Hopefully the instructions are in English. If not, then I'll have to ask one of my Japanese friends to come over and help me put it together. But anyway, so oh, by the way guys, I live directly beside the roadside, so you're gonna hear cars passing by. I'm very sorry for the noise. Ugh. This is what it's supposed to look like. So let me just open the box. Oh my god. Okay, this is the board. This looks like I'm gonna need help. This is what I am working with. This is what I'm working with. So it comes with a socket thing. And it is in freaking Japanese. Oh my god, why? It's in Japanese, guys. I'm gonna try to put it together, okay? I'm gonna try it. If not, then I guess I'll have to get someone to help me. This does not look that hard, even though it's all in Japanese, but I'm gonna try. The screws. So I'm going to put this like this. coming together. Guys, it's 32 degrees. I'm super hot. Alright, let me put this at the top first. So guys, I have officially finished. I'm gonna show you the finished product in a sec, but let me know how did I do. This thing came with a socket, but I am not gonna be using this at all because I just don't trust it. So yeah, I'm not gonna use this part, but this is the finished product and I'm very proud of myself. So let me show you guys. So this is for my kitchen, by the way. It has these little screw things that will prevent this from falling over when I open it, and also there are two at the back that will prevent it from going backwards. But yeah, so this is it. So I'm gonna be putting my dish drainer up here, and this is gonna be like my little area where I maybe like cut up stuff, maybe when I'm cooking, I cut up vegetables and stuff like that. I'm definitely gonna do like an apartment tour pretty soon. I've seen persons asking for it, so I'm gonna do it pretty soon. So guys, just stay tuned. Super sweaty. It's summer. It's 30+ degrees outside. I'm hot, I'm sticky. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching me put this shelf together. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Please thumbs up this video. Please comment if you have any questions or any comments, just leave them below. Thank you guys again for watching and see you next time. Bye.